Quadratic equation parabolas and other graph exam practice question 20. What is the minimum point of the graph of the equation y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 9? So the first thing is when we think about minimum, it's like the minimum point or the maximum point. We need to make sure that we are getting it in turning point form. So to get it in turning point form, we need to complete the square. So straight away here, I'm just going to leave that plus 9 over here, and I'm just going to get the common factor out of 2 from the x squared. So 8x divided by 2 is 4x. So I haven't changed anything. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add and take away. So what I mean by that is I'm going to be thinking about what I need to add and take away so I can complete the square. So I'm going to move my brackets over so I've got space. Now I need to think about B. To complete the square, C must be the two numbers together times to add to equal B. So what's half of B? Half of B is 2. That means my C must be plus 2 squared minus 2 squared. Because 2 squared, I can say, is 4. Remember, when we're completing the square, we need two numbers that times together to equal C, and the exact same ones add up to B, and they must be the same number. Now I've done this, I haven't changed my equation because it equals the same. I've added 4, I can take 4. And 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So I can rewrite my equation now as y equals 2. I've got x plus 2 in brackets squared. I've got bigger brackets because I've still got my minus 2 squared, which is 4, and my plus 9. I'm going to times my 2 by the brackets, but I'm just going to write it as 2 with brackets x plus 2 squared. I'm going to times 2 by negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then I've got plus 9. That leaves me, in the simplest form, is 2x plus 2 squared, and I've got negative 8 plus 9, which is plus 1. So straight away I can see that my brackets must equal 0, so that means x must be negative 2. And when x is negative 2, y must be the 1, because it's this part here, because everything else will be 0. So my minimum point of the graph of the equation is y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 9 is negative 2x, and y is 1.